Want to learn how to change language on your Android phone? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So different cell phones could have different ways to change language. Basically, if you have an Android phone like mine, they do have some of the similar qualities, and for that, you need to go to the settings of your phone, just like me, and then scroll down, tap on additional settings, reach to the point where you can get an option of language and input. Tap on language and input, tap on languages on the top. You can see currently my main language is English of United States, and if I want to change it, I need to tap on it and then select the languages from around the world. You can see by scrolling it down until the bottom, there are different languages from around the world. So let me change it to Italiano, and you can see that this setting affects all users on this phone. If you're still okay with it, tap on OK on the bottom right corner. The settings has been changed and all of the main font languages are currently in an Italian language. So this is how you change the language on an Android phone. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.